Good morning, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. It's a good Monday to try to take advantage of the markets. So this is Master Shifu. Let's see what we have on the markets today. Before we get started, how's the sound on everybody's side? You can just drop a chat there, and let's see if you guys can hear me clearly. Then we can get started. Awesome, James. Sound is perfect. Great. Let's see what we have today. Drop some charts there. Let's see if we can grab some pairs there, and let's see if we can take good positions for the day. This was one we missed this morning. I think when I posted the analysis, it was literally in the green already. So we literally missed this by an inch. But it's gone. We can't really do anything about it. But I think the VIP members have already probably got into this trade. Let me just take a look at how it was in the VIP. And then let's see. Yeah, those that pulled the trigger early probably got that position. Yeah, I think when I posted it, price was still at 89.891. So yeah, it's gone. It is gone. Price is around here, give or take. So we're 6 pips in, and yeah, 1 hour already gone. So this we are clearly missing. That's the nature of the game. Okay, I'm gonna drop into the watch list and see what do you guys have here. What do you guys want us to look at this morning? Meanwhile, while you guys are posting that, I'm gonna take a look at the EU here. This analysis was done very early in the morning. We're waiting for price to actually drop first. Give us a neat entry at the 556, 466 zone, and then yeah, push from there. Okay, so this is one I'll probably drop in the group as well. We still have a bit of room to play with, just over 65 pips before it triggers the entry. Some other guys will probably want to get in at this level, which I don't really recommend. I'd rather miss the trade than get in too soon and let it kick you out of the zone. Okay. So I just shared with you CAD JPY, EU, and then gold. So gold, we still have that buyers valid, targeting these levels here. entry still below there. So gold will still have a very valid entry at these levels. So we'll keep going with it and keep watching just how far it'll go. But yeah, gold is still good. So that's what we're looking at on gold. And then the last nugget I'm giving you from this selected list here would be ORCAD. So ORCAD, we've got two potential entries. The top one is a bit high risk, so that's why I didn't input it. But the buy is pretty good. We would see a nice entry zone here at this level, which is just under 50 pips from the current price. And yeah, targeting these levels here using the usual 3, 5, 8, 10 plus. At 1, we break even. At 2, we take 50%. At 5, we move stop to 3 and take 25%. At 8, we move stop to 5 and take another 10%, leaving 15%, and letting that run, adjusting the stop, climbing with the stop. I will post it in the group as well, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. So do you guys have any pairs you want to look at? Anything you guys want to look at, please drop it in the chat icon there. Let's see what we can take. Taking a look at the this pair from last week. It was very dizzy, I must say, because of these wicks here. These wicks were just making it impossible to get a proper zone. And if one had decided to move the stop to just above that level, and then our range becomes too big for this move, so that didn't work for us. First trade hit the stop, second trade went in 1R, break even, so came back and then went down again and then went all the way out. So it was a very busy session on US 100. We still have a potential for a massive sell off, provided we get in at the right time, which is usually very hard. So that's where we are with the US 100. James wants us to look at oil. Well, we just covered gold just now. Gold, last week's analysis is still valid. We are still good to go. Now, oil also behaves in a pretty interesting manner. And you'd find it very hard to work with. But from the analysis I did recently, I picked up some patterns and some behaviors that it's been doing, which would make me confident enough to come with a pretty good sell off as well, provided we can also get in at a nice price point using stops and not limit orders, targeting all the liquidity at the bottom there. We would have a very nice sell. Just hold on. Okay. So with oil, that's what we'll be looking at. So that'll be a safer entry zone with a nice stop there. If you go deeper in, probably get a tighter one. but wouldn't have to use the bottom but the top. And then we'll be looking at something in this image here. So that's where we are with oil. And whoever caught that oil last week, I mean, it hit 1-2-20. But I know somebody hit a 1-2-5 after break even. So yeah, the ones who went third, brave souls, but pretty good. Okay, so that's what we have for oil, James. I'll also post this in the channel. And the CAD, gold, and EU. Yeah. Post that on the free channel shortly. What else do you guys want us to look at? Okay. Any other pair that you guys want me to look at, drop a comment there, and let's dive into it. I saw something with the NZD-CAD. I don't usually trade this pair, but I saw it earlier. Yeah, I think my only issue is the zones. But yeah, I'm looking at something along these ranges, and going down with it. So we could potentially get a very nice sell off at these levels. I'll also post this. Targeting these levels here to start with. So that's what we're looking at for the NZD CAD. Yeah, and that's what we have this morning. Hopefully we'll get some nice triggers and dive into the positions. Meanwhile, I'll drop these in the channels and then we'll take it from there. Awesome, guys. That's it for this morning, actually. That's pretty quick because I already did the analysis, so I just shared with you guys what I've got and we would look at some potential good levels to get in and have a nice trade. Awesome. Any more questions, guys? Any comments? Anything that you want to share? Please drop me a text and I'll take it from there. Enjoy the rest of your day, traders. Happy trading.